So now I want to show you some of the analytical tools that are inside both WooCommerce and um, we've also added in a thing called Counterize, as a matter of fact. So we can get this as big as I can here. There we are. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you Counterize, and Counterize gives you some stats. And when you just click on it, it gives you a whole bunch of stats. And here you just see what most people were using for browsers. If anybody used the search function on the site, it'll show you the terms that they were using at the most. It will show you the pages that were visited the most, including all of the products. It will show you how many visits ended up with people on those product pages. It'll show you the most popular pages in the last 24 hours that have been visited, the most requested URLs, basically which ones are requested, and it just goes through. It's very self-explanatory. It just goes through, how many page views you've had, blah blah blah, unique visitors, which basically is looking for unique IP addresses, hits per unique visitor, how many pages did each unique visitor use, which was, it looked like right about here, 5.4 pages, and it gives you the average over a period of time. And most of what you're probably hits based on day of the week. And what you're looking at here right now is you're going to be seeing a lot of spiders crawling your site. Your site just came up, and so a lot of the stuff is going to be, and it's going to be me who's doing a lot of development on your site, but it's also going to be a lot of spiders that are crawling your site right now. And this over here is just this, all of this information here is just so you can take a look at it. You can take a look at it. If you click on this, it'll just bring you a page up. It'll just show you the keywords. If you come back here and you click on traffic, it'll just show you the traffic information. That's what this. So if we come down over here to WooCommerce and we come down to reports, we click on that, then we get WooCommerce is reporting features. And so far you can see that you've had sales of $69.62, total of 2 orders, 3 items. Your average order total was $34.81. Average order of items, any discounts used, total shipping costs, which in this instance is going to be the delivery fees that you're collecting on each order. You can click over here on customers and it will give you an overview of customers and total customer orders and total customers, and it'll give you here, it'll give them to you per day so you can see how many customers you had on what day. You can click over here to stock, and if you see no products are out of stock and no products are low in stock, so this will show you if you set up stock and you've denoted what is supposed to be. If you have any products that are coming out of stock, this will denote that. If you have products that are getting low in stock, and I think that's below the number of 5, if I remember right, that'll show these here. If you come back over here to sales and you click on here, you can look at sales by day, by month. Look at taxes by month if you want, which is the amount of taxes collecting that have been collecting. Product sales, you can take a look, and you can search for a particular product if you wanted to. Not for sure that works. And top sellers, you can see which ones you've sold one of each. So they just they're showing they're all vying for the top spot because there's only been one of each sold. So, and then top earners, and once again, they're all kind of vying up there because they've each only sold one. So. Right, and that is just kind of a quick overview. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get into it. And like I said, that's down here. You'll find that over in WooCommerce. And you come down to reports, and that gets you into this particular interface. So that's how you utilize WooCommerce reports.